Hello, good evening, everybody. Each of us know different things to cook, to write, to live, to nurture, to smile, to spread peace and love. I was just thinking that all our biscuits and cookies get over so fast. So let me teach you a normal butter cookie, or if you add a little of chocolate, you can make it into a chocolate cookie. If your children are fond of chocolates, you can always add little cocoa powder in few of them. Now it doesn't require anything. You don't even require a microwave oven. So I'm just going to teach you a simple method of making cookies. So take up your pen and a book and write it down. I'll wait for 2 seconds. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So first thing we need is maida. 1 cup of maida. We may, if this is your measuring cup, you know, we have to take the same measurement for everything. So I am showing you the ingredients. That's maida, small, refined sugar. Okay, maida, sugar, butter, what's this? Can you tell me? Baking powder. Again, I repeat, we require at least a cup of butter. If you don't have butter, don't worry. Even if you have ghee, you can take little, we require 1 cup. I'm talking of this measuring. If you take this as a measure or a cup as a measure, use that. 1 cup, it's more than around 200, uh, 200 grams of butter. So you get 100 grams butter. So suppose you have only 100 grams butter with you. The remaining 100 grams, you can use some ghee. But remember, it should not be in the solidified. It has to be a little liquid, so it's easy for you to beat it. You require sugar either in the crystal form or in the powdered form. So the first thing we require is butter and sugar. You can use this as a whipping ingredient or a whipping spoon. If you don't have anything, use a fork. Use a fork and just whip it. Or you have the cake baking machine. If you don't have, don't worry. That's why I'm giving you the options. The options are you first start with butter and sugar. Whip it properly so that it forms a lather. Once it forms a lather, in that, I would prefer you put 1 spoon of baking powder and you require 3 cups of maida or all purpose flour. This is maida. You can see that. If you want to make it a little healthier, you can put little, just 1 spoon of rava or semolina. Yes, this is the basic. And as you put 1 cup, add it and wait. Let's mix properly. You don't have to whip it loud. It's just you to fold it. Then put another cup. Before you start putting the maida, it's better to put 1 teaspoon of at least half a. I put 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now the optional things are, if you want, you can use an egg. Okay, yolk of the egg or the entire egg if you feel so, and your vanilla essence. 3 drops of vanilla essence. Now these are the ingredients. I repeat. First, you will use butter and sugar. whip it properly. You see a froth like coming up. It's very soft and nice. Then take maida. Before 3 cups of maida. Before you put the maida, you require at least 3/4 spoon of baking powder, and you can add 1 egg and 3 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. When you mix it, sometimes when you mix it, you will find that yes, because there's so much butter or ghee in it, you find that it is, it's not coming out like the chapati flour that you need. No, its consistency is much softer, and you don't have to worry for it. Now, what I will teach you is, if I don't have an oven, if you have an oven, preheat it, you can make it. But if you don't have an oven, like I have also made, I wanted to show you this time. Take a big kadai and put salt. Can you see that? Once you put salt, make small pedas of it and make it ready like this. This is how our flour will look like. You just have to roll it and make like this, just with your hands itself, and put it on the plate with little of, because it has enough and more. And you will see at a very low temperature, here your cookies are ready. Can you see them? Yeah. You have to let it cook till light brown. So I'll show you. Light the fire. You have lit the fire, and you don't have to do anything. Put salt in it and keep that salt separate, because you can always use it for baking. Take a dish and keep your small pedas that you have made. Reduce the gas flame to the minimum and close it with a lid. That's it. This is your content. Maida, sugar, just take it, roll it, and keep it ready like this on a small dish. And you will find that you can make tasty cookies at home. Isn't that wonderful? So don't worry if you don't have your oven. You can always make it on a gas stove too. That's what I wanted to teach you. I hope you will try this and make one of the best cookies, and everybody in your home would love it. Nothing would be left for sure, I'm sure, because nothing is left for me to. So, hope you have a lovely time making the cookies, and please give me your comments if you have tried on it. Thank you so much. Happy cooking.